Hi guys, just going to talk you through modifying this spinning top that I used for making the solar powered pulse motor. Lid Motor found this on Thingiverse. So I want to put a hole down the middle of it to put a needle straight down through the middle, and the quickest way I can do it is download the files. We have to wait for a few minutes. Right, it's downloaded them into my download folder. So if I click on that, I can actually extract them. I'll extract them into my download folder. So they're there. Doll top and doll stand, it says. Okay, that's fine. So we finished with that. Now we're going to use Tinkercad, and I've actually done it already, but I'm going to do a fresh one just so we can see what we're talking about. So create a fresh design or a new design. We're going to import the STL file that we've just downloaded. So we'll go to our downloads, open that one, open that one, open that one. Takes a few minutes to think about it. If it's the right size, it'll open it up for you straight away. If it's too big, you might have to play with it, but in this case this one's the right size. There it is, and at the moment it's a solid item and I want to put a hole right down the middle. So with Tinkercad we've got basic shapes. This happens to be a hole shape. You could change it to a solid shape if you wanted, but I'm going to leave it as a hole. That's what I want. I'm going to give it smooth sides, or as smooth as they can be, and then I want it to be a 2mm circle or cylinder. It defaults to 20, so we change that to 2 and that one's 2, so that's our 2mm cylinder. Now if we go on this one, it tells us how tall it is, 53mm tall. So I'm going to make this one 54 tall, just to give me a little bit of wiggle room. And then we want it to be right in the centre of this. So I click on that one, click on that one, so I could join them together up here, group them. But before I do that, I want to line them up. And if I press L on my keyboard, you get these things appear. And I want to line it up with that one, so I've just clicked this one, and now if I press that dot there, it moves my hollow cylinder up to the middle, and if I press that one there, it pushes it right into the middle. So if I just scan that around, you might be able to see it's in the middle there. Now if I click on the group, it groups them together, combines them. It's done it now. So if I just tip that up, there's now a hole right down the middle. And that's the right size for the needle that I want to go down there. We don't actually need that little bit, that's the pin that goes on the bottom of the spinning top, but because I've imported it as a single item, that's going to be there whether I like it or not. I could edit it out, but it doesn't matter. It's only a tiny little bit of filament that we're going to waste. So that's done. So I will now finish that off. I could export it straight as it is now, so I'll just demonstrate that. Export it as an STL file. Oh, Tinkercad gives you funny names. You can change them, but I'll leave that one as it is for now. So that's downloaded it as Cool Tumulo STL. I'll just click on there. Right, don't need this anymore. I can either open up Ultimaker Cura, or I can use the cut down version, Creality Slicer, which is also made by Ultimaker, but we'll use this because it's just quick and easy. So we're now into Creality Slicer. We want to import or load that one. There we are. And as we can see, this one's got a hole down the middle. And if we slice this one, it'll take 55 minutes to print, because I'm using the fastest mode. I won't do that because I've already done that, but I just thought I'd talk you through a simple way of modifying something like that to add a hole down the middle. So that's it. Job done. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'll just press that button so you can see it. Right, that's saved it to my little SD card that I can go and plug into the printer. Right, now it's finished. Job done. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.